Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete button function does not work on your system, then watch this video to fix it. The first step is to update the keyboard drivers. For that we need to look for Device Manager, click on it, and we will expand the keyboard here. Right click on the HID keyboard device and click on Update Driver. Do this for the next two HID keyboard devices or how many ever show on your system. Now we don't need to update the standard PS2 keyboard because this is the very old keyboards that use the 3-pin configuration to connect to the system. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to run an SFC scan in the command prompt. So go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click as yes, and enter the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. Wait for the scan to occur and restart the computer, and the error should and this Ctrl Alt Delete should work perfectly fine. Now if this doesn't work, then we need to do a system restore. We will go to recovery, click on recovery, open system restore, and we'll choose a different restore point, click on next, and click on the restore point that you have created or the system has created. Click on next and click on finish, and that should restore your system to a previous date and time. Now if that too doesn't work, then the final option is to restart the system in clean boot and see if this Ctrl Alt Delete button function works. So we can restart in clean boot by looking for system configuration, click on it, click on the services tab, and before we do anything else we need to hide all Microsoft services, because if we disable any one Microsoft service then the system will fail to restart, and then we'll check any third party services like Google and Mozilla, McAfee, which we need not have necessary for startup, and then we will click disable all, we will click apply, OK, and we will click on restart, and that should restart our system in clean boot, and Ctrl Alt Delete button function should work. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.